Hello folks and welcome. I am Technivorous. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the plugins that are now available and ready to go with the CURA 5.0 beta. So you have those plugins you've been asking for, extensions, a lot of them are in place. So let's check out some of the ones they have. But first, I need you to reduce your Z offset on that subscribe button and give that bell notification button a good first layer squish so you can get notified when I post new videos. That said, we already have the screen open here. We are taking a look. This is going to be a short and quick video. I'm going to click install on a few of these. We will be testing them later in another video, but these ones with the little blue check mark here, that means that they are ready to go. So we're going to leave that. I do want CURA Blender. Ooh, public license agreement. Yeah. Okay. Looks like they have a lot. Printer settings to the sidebar. I haven't actually used that. You'll notice field of view contributes a lot of these, and a lot of these ones that seem to be updated are by him. So that's good. Z offset setting. People were asking about that one for sure. Digging some of these. I want to get a couple more of these, and you know what, we will restart here and open them up and take a look because I'm actually pretty excited. Startup optimizer, that's interesting too. And yeah, it looks like field of view has been hard at work. His stuff's normally pretty reliable. Let's go ahead, we'll quit out of CURA here and reload it. And we'll go ahead and take a look at our extension menu and make sure that a lot of this stuff is working. Now, there are a couple in there that I used that I didn't see quite yet. Rest assured they are coming. There is a little warning in there that I kind of scrolled right past, and it says, you know, give people a little bit of time because the extensions are generally third-party editions and not made by Ultimaker themselves. So, yeah. Here we go. Give it just a second to pop open here. And here it is. So, didn't take that long. I wonder if that extension works or if I have to go and turn it on and reload it again to see that noticeable change in load time. But let's take a look now that we have our settings showing up and see. Barbarian plugin, convert to metric, that's there. Startup optimizer, okay. Load only generic and custom materials. Disable loading. Wow, 4,000 files will be skipped. Let's see what else. Load only generic and custom materials. Wow, another 4,000 files. Okay, let's. I just want to see. Let's see how well this works here. And do this again. You just saw how long it took to load. Let's see if it goes any quicker. Sorry about the noise in the background, by the way. I'm doing a time lapse, so it keeps jamming the bed forward to take pictures, so it's a little bit loud. Other than that, that printer is really quiet. So yeah, I mean, I would say that's a pretty noticeable difference. It's pretty quick. Still not open quite yet. I think a lot of people are going to like this startup optimizer. Yeah, that's probably the quickest CURA load I've ever had. You got to keep in mind I'm running on a hard disk drive. This isn't even a static state drive, so it's very slow. And CURA is now loading faster than it ever has with 5.0. So this little extension has made it even quicker for me. Let's go back in and see what else we grabbed here. There's some post-processing that's already there. Obviously the update checker is not going to do anything. Yeah, so it's looking like this is one of the extensions here. Print settings, profile. I'm not sure how to access this. Go peek back at the marketplace. I did want to show you that announcement. So they're asking you please allow the developers some time to update their plugin. Why does it say install? I can install this? That's weird. But a few of them are up. Field of view is hard at work. I'm curious what this other stuff is. I saw this setting visibility, set creator. That's interesting too. I think we'll dive into a specific video on field of views extensions here in the next couple weeks. What do you think about that? If you like that idea, leave a like on this video. If I get 100 likes, I'll do it. We'll jump in there and we'll check out. He should have a few more up by then because I know he has more than this. And I'd like to see what some of them do. I think that would be a good time to come back and check and see what other extensions we have out. Because as you can see, this one is not from field of view. There are a couple in here that don't have this blue check mark, though, that I'm not sure if they work or not, or if they're just not listed. So there's also materials you can download in here. What is this? Make sure to keep your plugins. Plugins need to be updated to become compatible. Oh, that's just an announcement that I downloaded. Now it sits there. Mesh tools. Let's update that. A lot of these I think I could just disable, but CURA seems to be working fine for me, so I'm not going to bother doing that. This is, like I said, a quick and dirty video, guys, all about the new extensions that are now available. Not all of them are there, as I said, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you'll know the next time I post a video. And if you want me to do a video on just field of views extensions and go into all of them in depth and what they do, leave a like and go ahead and drop it in the comments what you're interested in. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Technivorous out.